This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the pads and battery in the Physio Control Lifepak 1000 AED. To ensure preparedness for emergencies, it's crucial to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The adult pads come with a 2-year expiration, clearly marked on the package. It's recommended to change the pads either at the time of expiration or after use. When it's time to change the pads, simply remove the old ones by pulling on the cable connector and then plug in the new pad securely. Let's talk about the battery. With a 5-year warranty, the expiration date and install by date are clearly indicated on the battery's exterior. To replace the battery, first remove the old one, lift the latch, release it, and slide out the battery to insert the new battery until it clicks into place. Once you've replaced the pads and battery, verify that the ready indicator displays OK, ensuring your AED is in rescue-ready shape. If you have any inquiries or wish to explore purchasing options, you can reach us at www.aedmarket.com or 1-800-441-8378. Thanks for watching.